Welcome back. I hope that you are in good health. Little known clever uses for onions that do not involve cooking. Onions are great for sauteing. However, the same properties that make onions a great food to eat also make them great for other things, from healing your skin to cleaning metal. The onion is a cheap and effective mosquito repellent and can also be used for training your pets. These are just a few of the non-cooking jobs onions can do. Onions can soothe bug bites. Onions are good insect repellents. Just rubbing a slice of onion onto a specific body part can ensure that insects would stay away from that particular area. It is also useful for alleviating the pain that one gets from insect bites, especially bee stings. Onions can get rid of dizziness and vertigo. Much more efficient than smelling salts, onions are an excellent natural therapeutic medicine for dizziness and headaches. The smell of a cut clove of onion is sure to minimize the reeling feeling in your head. Onions can extend the shelf life of avocados. To keep your avocados from rotting within a short period, place a cut red onion inside a container and then fill that container with avocados. The onion will make it so that the avocados don't change their color to brown, thus slowing the degeneration process. This also works for guacamole. Onions are useful for making your pets avoid a certain area of the house. Cats and dogs dislike the smell of onions. If you don't want them near a specific area of the house, you can place a certain amount of cut onions on a plate or in a towel and leave it there. If your shoes are the ones that you don't want your pets to be nearby, brush an onion against your shoes just so that they retain a tiny amount of onion smell. Your cat or dog would not dare to go near your shoes after this. Onions are a good ingredient for making an organic, chemical-free pesticide. Insects are not a fan of onions, it is known. Therefore, onions can be a good ingredient in making an environmentally friendly pesticide. Simply mix 4 onions, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, a couple of tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soap flakes, and a quart of water in a blender. And then get ready for mosquito-free nights for you and bug-free days for your plants. Onions can get rid of sweat stains or burn marks from clothes and fabrics. Onions have the same function as peroxide. This means that onions can remove the stain on your clothes and fabrics. Onions can make it easy to take out splinters from your body. If you can't get the splinter out using your finger, tape a piece of onion onto the affected area and leave it there for an hour or 2. The onion can help draw out the splinter. Onions can be used to make dye. Place red or yellow onion skins inside a pantyhose and then tie the open end shut. Boil it for 30 minutes in hot water. This is how you get instant coloring for your clothes or your paintings. Onions can get rid of rust from kitchen knives. A rusty knife can get its cure by being rubbed through an onion for a few times. Onions are good for the skin. Onions are rich in quercetin, which is good for doing away with skin blemishes, such as acne and pimples. Wash your face with a water and onion mixture, and leave this mixture on your face for 15 minutes or so at night for best results. These are some fantastic uses for onions that you can take advantage of without bothering your taste buds. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.